Start. Dear friends, we are now engaged in the important work of economic development of our country. We want to bring about this development through successive 5-year plans. We have already completed 6 such plans. We are about to enter the final year of the 7th 5-year plan. A period of 35 years is not a long period in the history of a nation. Yet we can look back with some satisfaction in what has been achieved so far. As you all know, we are suffering from overpopulation. In spite of this, we have managed to raise the standard of living of our people to a great extent. We have succeeded to some extent in removing illiteracy and disease. There also been an increase in the production of commodities like cycles, etc., which were till recently not within the reach of large sections of the people in this country. I would like to say a few words about agriculture. In our country, it is the main source of income for over 2/3 of our population. Due to the implementation of 5-year plans, agriculture has recorded a rate of growth of nearly 4% a year. This is by all means a good record. We have, however, to remember that about 30% of the land in our country is still without proper irrigation facilities. These lands have therefore to depend on monsoon, which is always irregular. But fortunately, the crop prospects this year are remarkably good. The prices of food grains and other agricultural products have begun to come down considerably. Every effort will be made to see that this trend continues in the years to come. Though agricultural progress is vital, it cannot itself solve all the problems. Industrial growth is also very necessary for the economic development of the country. This alone can help people to raise their standard of living within a short period. Even agricultural development depends to a great extent on the supply of fertilizers, steel and cement, which are the products of industry. Therefore, it is essential that the industrial base has got to be widened in our country. We are therefore giving all kinds of encouragements for starting more and more industries in the country. However, I assure you that this government will continue to give equal importance to the growth of both agriculture and industries. Letter from the Managing Director, National Trading Company, Bombay, to the Manager, Messrs. Raman Brothers, Madras. Dear Sir, we are in receipt of your letter of the 25th instant. In this connection, we have to inform you that our stock of white paper is now completely exhausted. We are, however, expecting a further supply at the end of this week. Immediately on receipt of this, we assure you that we shall be able to carry out your order in full. We hope and trust that this delay on our part will not cause you any serious inconvenience. Referring to your enquiry about paper envelopes, we enclose a copy of our illustrated price list for your examination. We may state that these envelopes are of the best material and we feel sure that they would meet with your entire approval. We trust that this will enable you to place your trial orders with us. Thanking you in advance. Yours faithfully, Stop.